Play-Doh with colours. She's using 4 ingredients. She's mixing all the dry ingredients together. It's 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, and the other 2 ingredients is 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once Becky's made the paste, she will add it into the 4 jars that she's prepared. Once Becky's evened out the paste in each individual jars, she will now add in the colours of her choice. Becky now adds in a few drops of green food colouring in the first jar. She now adds in a red food colouring in the second jar. Becky now chooses to add in yellow for the third jar. Becky now adds in the last colour, which is blue. Becky would now mix each jar with their colours until the colour comes through into the paste. Becky now rolls the Play-Doh that has already been cooked in the microwave for approximately 2 to 3 minutes in individual small jars. Each timing, the smaller the jars, the less of the time it's in the microwave. So Becky continues rolling out each dough with their colour. Can we see the orange, which is the first one, and the second one is the green one. Becky now places the dough into the jars. This will keep the dough fresh . Becky now shows us 2 jars that she already prepared